If you're experiencing controller drift in GTA 5, it can be frustrating. Follow these simple steps to help resolve the issue. Step 1. Check controller settings. Navigate to the settings menu in GTA 5 and ensure that your controller settings are properly configured. Adjust sensitivity and dead zones to see if it improves your gameplay. Step 2. Clean the controller. Dust and debris can cause drift. Use a soft cloth and some isopropyl alcohol to gently clean around the analog sticks. Make sure to avoid getting any liquid inside the controller. Step 3. Update controller firmware. Check if your controller has any available firmware updates. Manufacturers often release updates to fix bugs and improve performance. Connect your controller to your console or PC and follow the instructions to update. Step 4. Recalibrate the controller. Recalibrating your controller can help reset any drift issues. Go to your console or PC settings, find the controller calibration option, and follow the prompts to recalibrate. Step 5. Test with another game. To determine if the issue is with the controller or the game, try using your controller with another game. If the drift persists, the problem may lie with the controller itself rather than GTA 5. By following these steps, you should be able to address the controller drift issue in GTA 5. If the problem continues, consider seeking professional repair or replacement options.